We have the ability to crush any goal. It's just about being intentional and making the choices to do it, right? And I want the damn boat. We decided in the third quarter of last year that this was the mission, this was the vision, and this is what we were going to do. And we've done it. All of the positions that we told you we were going to fill, database, building out funnels, having support for our agents to be able to grow their businesses, like the marketing, turning it into a digital agency where we had a videographer, now we have 3, right? Where we had a copywriter, now we have 2. Where we had all of these functions of the business to be able to support our mission, we've followed through.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, hit that like button, leave us some comments. We want to know your feedback, and share this with someone that you think could benefit as well. And if you want to see more great videos, click this playlist up here, or better yet, click right here to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our updates.